Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook page and remove an old or unwanted social link, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a social link from your Facebook page using your PC, all updated for the latest Facebook interface. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to edit. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you're on your page, look for the menu options just below your cover photo. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your page's details are stored. Scroll down until you find the Social Links section. Here, you'll see any social links you've previously added, like Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. To the right of the social link you want to remove, you'll notice a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click on this icon. A new window will pop up, allowing you to edit your social links. Simply delete the link you no longer want displayed on your page. Double-check to make sure you're removing the correct one. Once you've deleted the link, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. Click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your unwanted social link has been removed from your Facebook page. Taking a few moments to update your page's information keeps your online presence accurate and professional. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.